Yo, you won't believe what I just heard. Scientists have discovered that DNA, the stuff inside every living being, is like a hard drive, but not just any hard drive, it's like the universe's own storage system. Think about it. Just like how the universe stores vast amounts of information in its cosmic web, DNA stores information within its own web-like structure. And just like how the universe is constantly expanding and evolving, DNA is constantly changing and adapting to new environments and circumstances. It's like our DNA is a reflection of the universe itself. It holds the blueprint for our physical existence, just as the universe holds the blueprint for the laws of physics that govern the cosmos. And just like how the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unlocked, our DNA is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Who knows what other amazing discoveries we'll make about DNA in the future? It's like the universe is guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. This discovery has opened up a new way of thinking about the relationship between life and the universe. It's like we're all connected, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to use DNA as a tool to unlock even more secrets about the universe around us. So next time you look at your DNA, just remember that it's not just a biological blueprint, it's a window into the cosmic web that connects us all.